A little pumpkin is on the way. This theme is everywhere on Etsy right now. So let's jump in and make one together. You already know the drill. We don't start from zero here. We pick a template. Let's choose this one right here. It has the perfect layout to work with. First, I'm deleting all the cute Halloween illustrations to make space for our pumpkin theme. Now I'll replace boo with pumpkin and change this other text to say is on the way. Great. Quick and easy, right? Now, I'll go to Elements, Illustrations, and type pumpkin, of course. Let's see what we have. Perfect for the theme. I'll move things around a little bit so it fits nicely. For colors, I'll go with a warm palette. Let's also change the background to a soft light color. Now let's switch the font for pumpkin to blue. Perfect, it gives such cozy fall vibes. In just a few minutes, we turned a Halloween design into a sweet, a little pumpkin is on the way baby shower invitation. If you want to try this yourself, head to Templett and start customizing your own designs today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below what theme you want to see next.